Alarm 2066 umbrella tool changer occurs when the tool changer is in a position where it is unsafe to complete the tool change cycle. At any point during tool changer motion, if the tool changer stops, the machine will generate Alarm 2066. This can happen for a number of reasons, most often when the tool changer is interrupted by the operator or due to a loss of power. Let's look at the most common recovery sequence you're likely to encounter. There are some variations to the sequence depending upon whether there are tools in the carousel and spindle, but all of the sequences are similar. Press Recover and select Tool Changer Recovery. Now press Reset to clear the alarm. Press A for automatic recovery. The machine is now in recovery mode. Press Y to continue. The spindle will unclamp and move up. The tool changer then retracts. Even though the tool changer went home, the recovery process is not complete. Press Y to continue. Next, the control asks, is there a tool in the pocket directly facing the spindle? We'll press Y to confirm there is a tool in the pocket. If there's a tool in the spindle, remove it now. The spindle must be empty to continue. Press Y to continue. The shuttle retracts to the home position. The tool change recovery process is complete. There are situations where the tool changer recovery process may not work. Maybe something was damaged or the problem is more involved. In those situations, contact your local Haas factory outlet so they can look into it.